So I just created this enemy battle sequence using Flova AI. Let me show you the final result first. Pretty cool, right? Most AI video generators give you random 4-second clips that look nothing like each other. But Flova just integrated Sora 2 model with something called as skills, and it completely changes the game. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I created this from scratch, step by step, in a very simple fashion. Alright, so what is Flova? It's an AI video agent that handles your entire video creation workflow, script, storyboard, character design, video generation, music, everything. But here is the game changer skills. Think of skills as having a professional film director built into the AI. So instead of just simply having random results, you get predictable, professional outputs that actually look consistent. And that is one of my favorite feature in this tool. They just also integrated Sora 2, which creates 12-second clips with natural camera movements, and I will show you shortly, not those janky 4-second snippets. Plus, Nano Banana Pro for character consistency. Let me now show you how it works. First step, let's sign up or sign in to Flova AI, and you will find the link in video's description. Once you sign in, you will be presented with this screen, or from projects, let's create a new project, and then you will find this screen. Now, if you look here, this actually is quite simple. So project is created, and now I'm going to tell AI what I want in plain English. So on the bottom right, I'm pasting this prompt to create me a simple enemy warrior character. The character is a young samurai warrior with spiky black hair, wearing traditional blue and white armor, and I want to create 2-3 short action scenes showing this character in battle. So let me create it, and now you can see that I just gave it a simple description of my samurai character, and AI is now creating all the stuff. And you see that it is understanding what my request is. It is creating the brief, and now it is going to go detail, chain of thought, action by action, with duration, aspect ratio, and all the nitty gritty details in there. So you see that now it is asking me that this is a brief and what I want to do next. So not only you have all the creative control, so it is not replacing you, it is actually augmenting your creativity. So now it is asking me what you want to do. I want to do the generation. So I'm just going to say, okay, generate the storyboard. And I have just made it slightly larger so that you could also read through easily. Next up, I'm generating the storyboard and visual strategy. And you can of course just type it in plain English, whatever you want, but I just like to keep it simple and short. And now you can see that it is generating that storyboard. So let it finish. We can also check out its chain of thought. And the Flova has come back. Now let me explain what is happening here. So on the right hand side, you can see that this is our AI assistant from Flova who has done all the magic, and the magic is on the left hand side. At the top, we have key element section, and you can see that we have the element Samurai Kenji. This is our main character definition, and you can see that there is detail too. It's a reusable asset that will be referenced in every shot. And then there is a description which I am highlighting, and then we have some segments. And by the way, this hasn't been generated yet. Now there are few segments here. First up, we have this segment forest ambush. So you see that it says that it is showcasing speed in a bamboo forest. Then we have this short forest stillness, short flash draw, rapid defense. So these are all different shots, like in bamboo forest, extreme close up, and then medium dynamic shot. And similarly, we have this temple uh, duel or duel, which, you know, low angle blade clash, some tracking shot of backflip dodge. And similarly, you see it moves on to final victory, where there are some medium, wide, and close up shots. You can also add some narrative music, whatever you like. I might not do it just because of the copyrights of YouTube. You never know these days. So primarily what this means overall is that AI has created a plan like a film script, story board outline. It has defined our character, which is element. It has broken our video into three scenes or segments. It has described each shot in detail, camera angles, action, timing, and then it has even planned the music. But nothing has been visually generated yet. No images, no videos, no character design, just a blueprint. Now, here on the right hand side, AI or Flova is now asking us to do either we could design the main character now, generate the actual image of samurai, create the music, or do both together. So let's proceed further. So I'm just going to design the main character, which is our Kenji one. So let's click here and wait for Flova to generate it. And there you go. In a jiffy, Flova has created the character. And this is a sheet image showing Samurai Kenji, full body view with blue and white armor, multiple angles as you can see. And from there, we can now create different shots. So this is going to create multiple images. Doesn't take too long, which is another great feature of this. And it has finished generating three storyboard images for forest ambush scene, and these are the ones. So this is the first one, second one, and the third one. Now let's create video clips from these three images, and all I need to do is to just say animate these shots and it will be done. And it has finished generating those clips, and now we can combine these three clips into a sequence in the view. So let me just ask it to create a preview assembly or whatever it is asking me to do. So I'm just going to go with this one, but you can add music, you can even design more shots from here. It all depends upon your creativity. And there you go, it has produced a clip. Let me play it for you. How good is that? I just asked it to create me a preview assembly and it has automatically sequenced all three clips together into the timeline, and you can just see it in front of you. It is really, really cinematic quality. So look, very impressed by it. And that's Flora AI for you with Sora 2 and the skills feature. If you want to try it yourself, I have an invitation code in the video's description that gives you free credits to start experimenting. And the first 500 people who sign up through my special link, which is in the video's description, get 1000 free credits. And you can just check it out in the comments, in the description. Let me know in the comments what you end up creating with it. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. And also please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.